Good evening, everyone. This is Deborah Charles. Hope you are having a great Sunday afternoon. I am on this live because I want to talk about Facebook Live. And if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and hit the notification button as well as the subscribe button. And if you find value in the information that I'm sharing, then go ahead and hit the like and share button, okay? But today I am on here to talk about Facebook Live. I am the CEO of SuccessWithDidi.com, where I inspire, motivate, and certainly educate other new marketers, home-based business owners, and internet marketers on how to drive traffic, generate leads, and turn those leads into buyers so that they can build their financial legacy using social media. Um, as I stated, we will be talking about Facebook Live, and it's so funny to me because when I first came online, I didn't even know anything about a Facebook Live. I was just puzzled when my mentor told me that, Dee, this is the best way to build your business is to do video marketing or Facebook Live. And I am sort of an introvert, so that was kind of like, well, I don't want to do that. But he assured me that that would be the best way to get your audience to know you and to build trust with you. So he gave me three points on how to get started with Facebook Live, and I want to share those with you. So the first one is just hit the damn button. Those were the exact words he told me. He said, hit the damn button and get started. So that's what I'm saying. It's not hard. It's just getting used to being in front of the camera. And I think that's what most of us fear is, just not being able to, be in front of a camera for fear of things that you may have heard someone else say, or those limiting beliefs when you were a child, or things that people may have said to you when you were 2 or 3, and it's still stuck in your head about how you look or how you talk, or just various things like that. But you got to get past that. So when you hit the button, that is the first thing that you to get you started. The second thing is, once you have hit the button, and you might ask yourself, well, what am I going to say, or what I need to do? Well, the second thing you need to do is introduce yourself. Tell your audience, or the audience that is building around the Facebook Live, who you are. Example, I am Deborah Charles. I am the CEO of SuccessWithDidi.com, where I inspire, motivate, and educate you on how to use social media to build your financial legacy. Something along those lines. You get your audience to get to know who you are through the words that you're saying and your demeanor, your personality, and all of that. So the third thing you need to do is engage with your audience. Ask them questions. Well, what is your fear? Why are you fearful of doing Facebook Live? If you have done Facebook Live before and you're a veteran, put a 2 in the comment section. Or if you are someone who needs to have you a point on how to do Facebook Live, leave a 1 in the section, comment section, something like that, so that your audience can get engaged, and so you can get relaxed, and so you can, maybe there are other questions that your audience need to engage with you on, because remember, we are here to serve our audience, to find out what their pain points are, and we become the solution for them through us interacting and getting to know each other. The biggest way, or the fastest way for you to grow your business, is to do Facebook Live and to engage with your audience so they can know, like, and trust you. So guys, this has been the 3 tips I want to share with you. I hope you find value. If so, then share this video out, and below this video, you will find some more information on my #1 recommending way of making money online, and the a system that I use to generate leads also. I also will share with you a Facebook group where I have a lot of more resources there that you can go to help you along your way in either developing your starting your business or helping you with some new things on how to, set up your Facebook pages and things like that. It will be in the section below. So I hope you all have a great and wonderful evening, and you all take care. Bye bye. See you next time.